Okay, so I just decided to stick with it and just read it out loud as I'm going. I did some research to find out how I can show you my terminal, and I guess I have to download something called OBS. But for now, I just want to keep sharing with you how this is happening so that you can really see how the live build is happening. And BlueprintX is designed to be super easy for you. However, I am just preparing for my launch, so there are still some things to work out. And something that I've learned as I've been building software, and I've worked very closely with, I'm now using Claude Code, but I used to work very closely with the Bolt.new team, and I used Replit before that. And I learned from the Bolt team that most softwares are broken on the back end. And so I'm a bit of a perfectionist and I want it to be perfect for you when I launch, but at the same time, I'm learning, just get it out there. Even I was using LinkedIn a while ago and it was broken, and that's LinkedIn. So I'm just going to do my best to have it working in the best way for you. So I just went over to Claude Code and I explained that you can see here on the screen, it's asking for your LinkedIn profile URL. It should not, because I have it at so that you can just log into LinkedIn and it will be connected. And then also it shouldn't ask you for your BlueprintX ID or your VirtualTwin ID, because you are logged into BlueprintX and you are using your VirtualTwin, so it should know that. So I'm just fixing that on the back end. And as it does that, let's tell it here, you should not need that info as I am logged in, and I want you to help me log into LinkedIn, so on my approval, you can post. And let's set up our scheduler. So we want it every day. And 9 a.m. is fine for it to connect with me and ask a question. So I'll generate an OAuth. That's great. Let's go to the VirtualTwin settings and see if the OAuth is there. I just made some brand settings for myself. Connections. Okay, LinkedIn. Connect to LinkedIn. Something went wrong. Well, that's okay. Maybe because we're on the live, I'm not sure. I'm going to tell Claude Code in the background, try to OAuth to LinkedIn and got this error. Is that because I am on YouTube Live, or can you fix it? So for those of you that don't know, Claude Code is incredible. And it's, like I said, I was using Replit and then I switched to Bolt. And at this point, I'm just using Claude Code to build all of this in the background. And I chat with it the way you will chat with the build function here. And also, let's go back to CoBuilder. Oh, what did I do? Okay, so let's go back to our virtual twin. And let me see if I am able to connect now to LinkedIn. Connections, connect to LinkedIn. Something went wrong. Okay, well, I guess we can't go forward until this is connected. Actually, we can. I can manually post. That's not a stopper. So in the meantime, while OAuth for LinkedIn gets fixed, let's try a conversation and you running the keyword search in my niche and searching for top posts and creating a template and using it all to create carousel posts for me. Okay, so one thing I guess to note is that I am driving it, and I don't know how creative you are, how confident you are, but this is a very smart machine. It's a very smart platform, and you can just talk to it. And when it is your virtual twin, like this one I built for myself, I'm not renting it from someone else. When it's yours, you can actually change it and its capacity in this chat where we are right now. So brand new user, got it. Let me start the workflow. What's your niche? My niche is creating AI doubles, what I call virtual twins, and launching BlueprintX, which helps anyone create their virtual twins that help them expand and replace the need for them to be masters in every discipline and get their AI doubles working for them. I guess that's not AI automation or SaaS, but it can figure it out. Just giving it as much information as I can on what I want them to help me with. Okay, so it seems like the LinkedIn has been fixed, but I don't want to miss what it's doing here. So let's see. Bold claim, body, okay. Let me find out if it did find some viral posts. The AI agentic AI, personal assistants, coworkers versus tools. Okay, so here's what I'm seeing. Everyone is talking about AI agents, but the narrative is splitting into two camps. Agentic AI will replace humans. AI as a coworker that amplifies what you can do, builds trust. BlueprintX is a proof point of number 2. My question is, what's one thing about virtual twins that you wish more people understood? Something that is true, but almost nobody talks about. Really, it is the AI virtual twin brain that we need working for us alongside our goal-oriented virtual twins. And that brain is how you think and how you make decisions. Okay, let's see. Everyone's building AI agents wrong. They focus on tasks, scheduling, email, research, but that misses the point entirely. The real power is in the brain, how it thinks, how it makes decisions. That's the partner that is actually you. When your virtual twin has your decision-making logic baked in, it doesn't just execute, it thinks like you. It handles situations. I mean, this is all true. Okay. Was I was thinking I would come out the door with, but it is what I shared with it. I'll just add the other point I think that is also primary is that many programs allow you to build but then own your information, your data. On BlueprintX, you own your AI double, you mint it with good chain blocked on blockchain. And then you can rent your expertise to others. But actually, I think this may be day 5 or 6. Okay, so I think let's focus on the brain today. Not really sure what is working for other posts. Okay, so let's do that. Personal story. Okay, let's say sounds good. So it's going to do a personal realization and a contrarian framing. When you realized the brain decision logic was the real thing, was there a specific moment building BlueprintX where a virtual twin either nailed it or failed? Yes, I mean, I can share my nervous system got overwhelmed with how fast I have been building for how long I have been outputting that speed. I literally have felt like I'm running alongside a bullet train. I have felt like I have been running alongside a bullet train and I needed relief. So I needed my overnight builder, my strategist, and my scheduler to take the load off of me by leaning into my AI double brain. Yeah, that's the story. I've been working so hard and so fast for so long. Like, really, I know it sounds crazy to say that you've been running alongside a bullet train, but that's what it has felt like. And for anyone else that you've been following, you can really see people are moving very fast. And because I've been working on it for so long, the moment a capability comes out, I'm on it and I'm programming it into BlueprintX. So okay, so let's see the visuals. But it also got it wrong. It's not day 6, it is day, oh wow, it's beautiful. I've been running alongside a bullet train, building BlueprintX, shipping features, responding to every message, no off switch. I built a virtual twin to solve this exact problem. I wasn't even using it. When your AI double has your decision-making logic built in, it doesn't just save you time, it saves you. BlueprintX. Okay, great, but it's not day 6. It is day 1 of building live on YouTube, and there are 15 to 17 days till launch. Let's say 17 days till launch. It opens for those that are going to join the course. It opens in 15 days, but for the public, it's 17 days. So okay, yes, remake the visuals and make them powerful. Okay, so I guess after this, I can try again to connect my, well, I'm going to download the visuals so we don't lose them. And hopefully this would stay anyways. Oh, that's not white. I kind of liked the other color scheme. But let's see. Running alongside a bullet train, building, shipping, responding, strategizing, no off switch. My nervous system was screaming. The brain is everything. How it thinks, how it decides, that's you. Day 1 of 17, BlueprintX launches live, build one with me. Okay, but it's very vague, and most people will have no idea what you are talking about. Make sure it's simple, and I liked the text in white. Okay, so I do have to get better at this, at saying what I'm writing out loud, but okay, so we are going to download. Oh, it wants us to make a script as well. Maybe we should do that. Oh, it's giving us the chance to connect to LinkedIn, so that's good. I was burning out building 24/7, no sleep, no break. So I built a copy of my brain, an AI that thinks like me and makes decisions like me, works while I sleep. Now my virtual twin writes code at midnight, plans my next feature, schedules my day, responds to messages. I wake up. Work is done. This is not automation. This is a digital you that knows how you think, that makes decisions like you would. BlueprintX launches in 17 days. Day 1 of building live. You can build your own virtual twin. Watch the full build on YouTube. Okay, so they each download. Let's try downloading. Download. I don't know if these are really downloading or what is happening. They're opening in a new window. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know which ones I've downloaded. Okay, I'm learning how to do this. Okay, so let's connect LinkedIn, see if it works. It still did not work. So back to Cloud Code, LinkedIn Connect did not work. Same error. Okay, but we do have them all here, so the question is, how do I download them? Oh, you can't see them. Okay, so let me see if I can tell it here without going to Cloud Code, and then you guys can fix it for yourself as well. So the download button for each image did not download. Can you make it so all images download together? That would be cool. Like, you should be able to fix it from this chat. So we're learning this live together. I mean, that's how I designed it. So yeah, it's still doing this. The download button, image in a new URL and not downloading. I want it in my downloads folder. And I'm going to tell Cloud Code. Well, let's see if we can right click. Save image as. That's good. So it's not ideal, and I'll make it better, but anyways, let's get it going. Free LinkedIn. For LinkedIn. 5 LinkedIn. And is there anything that we want to change? Okay, so when I hit remake, I should be able to update the text or converse with you how to update it. Yeah, so I am fixing this right here in this window, and that's a really good keep as is. Okay, so now yeah, just tell them the one thing that I wanted to change. I was let's see what we have. So we have, I was burning out building BlueprintX 24/7, no sleep, no break. So I built a virtual twin copy of my brain. Now it works while I sleep. My virtual twin writes code at midnight, plans the next feature, and schedules my day. This is not automation. This is a digital you. Day 1 of 17, BlueprintX launches live, building in public. You can build your own virtual twin. Okay, let's leave it. We don't need to make another one. And I guess I'll just post it. So let me know if there's, obviously this is my very first time going live, so I'm sure there's many things I can improve upon, but if there's anything that is interesting to you that you want to know more about, that you want me to focus on, please let me know in the comments. Okay, have a beautiful day.